Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video is a guide towards buying the best cheap electric bikes based on their price, power, motor, and riding comfort. Let's take a closer look at each of these 5 best electric bikes. This is Anchiers's folding electric mountain bike. This bike adopts ultra-lightweight yet strong aluminum and double shock absorption, mechanical front and rear disc brake design, and 21-speed professional transmission system, and perfect climbing ability. The 26 inches magnesium alloy integrated wheels with anti-slip resistant thick tire, perfect for trails, gravel, city streets, back roads, increases hill climbing power, further range variation, and greater terrain adaptability. Its rear suspension will soak up most of the jarring bumps that would otherwise be sent to your body. This can help reduce fatigue, which in turn can allow you to ride faster, for longer, with greater comfort. The front suspension fork adopts strong high-strength carbon steel suspension fork, and bright LED front light for night riding. With the LED 3-speed smart meter button, you can choose the electric assist power according to your needs. Front and rear suspension do such a good job of absorbing bumps, that you can typically carry more speed through technical sections of trail than you would be able to with a hardtail. It has e-bike, an assisted bicycle, and normal bike modes of riding, and combining 3 modes would be a better choice. You can add a burst of speed with the throttle, which is ideal for pulling away from traffic lights. Equipped with the 36 volts and 8 ampere-hour lithium-ion front battery, and 250 watts stable motor, you can reach a range of up to 15 to 30 miles at top speed of 15 to 17 miles per hour per charge. Plenty for a day's adventure, or most trips to travel and back. This bicycle arrives 85% assembled, and it's not hard to finish assembly by yourself. It has stylish, unique, and cool bike body structure design. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Eahora's M100 electric bike styled in 6061 aluminum alloy frame, air front suspension fork, adjustable preload to match weight, and riding style for a great riding experience. The 350 watts power brushless motor can reach maximum speed of 28 miles per hour. It has 48 volts 10.4 ampere-hours large capacity Samsung lithium battery. It has mileage of between 45 to 50 miles in electric mode, 50 to 55 miles in e-pass mode, and 60 to 80 miles in sport mode. It weighs around 60 pounds with a load capacity of around 300 pounds. Its 350 watts eco motor and intelligent controller is connected with e-pass system. The e-pass system recharge power back to battery when pass level is 0 or 1, and speed exceeds 13 miles per hour. As you enjoy the downhill glide and speed of passion, e-pass effectively extends the life of the motor and battery and allows your bike to have 55 miles or more trip distance. Eahora mountain electric bicycle is equipped with adjustable Shimano 9-speed transmission system which increases hill climbing power, further range variation, and greater terrain adaptability. Also equipped with FL hydraulic brakes, and possesses a strong, responsive braking force that ensures complete control on a different surface. You can adjust to suitable speed to complete your journey. It equips with adjustable air suspension element, upgraded suspension fork with lockout and preload adjust. Adjustable preload to match weight and riding style, longer service life, better shock absorption, the highest saddle height to the ground is 1030 mm, and telescoping stem allow this electric bicycle to fit more riders. When you ride in the hills, it gives you the best off-road experience. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Anchiers's Power Plus electric mountain bike. The electric bikes adopt 100% aluminum alloy frame. The front fork is made of high-strength carbon steel, packed with premium comfort shock absorption, and also double-layer aluminum alloy 26-inch wheel, and also features a 21-speed transmission system for increased customization. Ride it without working the pedals, or choose to assist for an added workout. A unique combination of 15 miles per hour top speed, off-road capability and stealthy frame design with a quiet motor operation that's suited to both urban and trail environments. The removable 36 volts, 8 ampere-hour ion lithium battery, custom battery pack design fits neatly into the downtube, but can be charged on or off the frame. Equipped with a smart lithium battery charger can make your ride up to 25 kilometers. Easy charge port system makes it charge easily. With front and rear disc brakes, and 21-speed Shimano professional transmission system, you can choose any speed to complete your journey, and perfect brakes fully protect your safety. With the e-bike and assisted bicycle modes, you can choose the e-bike to enjoy a long time travel, and also exercise. There are low, mid, and high 3-meter operations for you to choose. You can easily change by pressing the M key. And also level IPX4 is resistant to water splashes from any direction. And the bright LED headlamp and horn is equipped for night riding. The riding slope is controlled below 10 degrees. This mountain bike is only suitable for road and mountain biking, not for off-road, downhill, or extreme sports. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Anchiers's folding electric mountain bike. This folding e-bike is ultra-lightweight yet strong aluminum for quick folding and easy storage. It has double shock absorption, mechanical front and rear disc brake design, and 21-speed professional transmission system. Equipped with removable 8 ampere-hour lithium-ion front battery, and 250-watt stable motor, you can reach a range of up to 15 to 30 miles at top speed 15 miles per hour per charge. The battery is super secure while riding and easy to remove. It can be charged at any household outlet on or off the bike. Front and rear disc brake design provides strong braking ability. Travel safely with the Pro's headlight. Click it on and rely on the ultra-powerful LED light to help you navigate at night or through low-light environments. Plenty for a day's adventure, or most trips to travel and back. The 26-inch bead spoke wheels are made of aluminum alloy, and anti-slip wear resistant thick tire. Suit for rainy snowy mountain way and roadway with e-bike, and assisted bicycle, and normal bike modes. With the LED 3-speed smart meter button, you can choose the electric assist power according to your needs. This hybrid electric bicycle is built to overcome hills of up to 15 degrees, and change the way you ride across the city, and over the mountains. You can add a burst of speed with the throttle, which is ideal for pulling away from traffic lights. This classic electric bike is an all-purpose electric bike built with the latest and most efficient electric charge, advanced lithium-ion technology, easy to use and can bring you tons of fun. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is Swagtron SwagCycle EB5 Series Aluminium Folding e-bike. Go full throttle up to 15 miles per hour on battery power alone. But the EB5 Plus also rides like a traditional pedal-only bicycle. Premium build, eye-catching design, streamlined and aerodynamic. But as good as it looks, the EB5 Plus performs even better. Up to 15.5 miles on a single charge, and conquer steep hills, and 30-degree inclines with ease. The height-adjustable seat and handlebar gives you complete control over the comfort level of your adventure. And the high-performance 14-inch air-filled tires deliver smooth, stable rides, even on uneven pavement. Grab an extra battery, which is sold separately, and swap out the old battery for longer adventures. The compact size makes it easy to charge the e-bike battery pack at your desk at work without taking up a lot of space. EB5 Plus is ready to go as soon as it's delivered. No complicated assembly, and in minutes, you will be ready to hop on, power up and ride. The link is provided in the description for more information or to order. This is the end of the video. Please like and share if you find this video useful, and press the subscribe button for more videos. Thank you for watching.